Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from DP Clubs. I will pop details of course down below, but yeah, what do I start with? Do I start with the one you can't see? No, I'm going to start with the one on the bottom, only because you are going to be able to sort of tell what it is as soon as I take something off the top of it. Let's see if I can get into this sticker on the side so that I can get everything out. I've seen a lot more off the canvas items about lately, and some of them are just so stunning. Stunning, sparkle. It's imaginative what they can really come up with. But this one, let me show you sort of the image. So the moon has the sun sat inside it and it sits on a plinth. So you can have this as a decor item in your home, or you decorate the plinth as well. So what you decorate is just the bottom of the plinth, which is fine because who's going to lift it up to look? You do actually get a plain one as well. So does it go through both? Or is it so that you can choose which one you want? I don't think it comes with instructions. No, it comes with instructions on how to diamond paint, but I've got that now sound. I think it's so. It's hard to tell because I'm trying to get this through it, but it's still got its protective coating on. It's got its protective coating on both, but it does slot in. It will slot in. You just need to have done it so that the coating comes off. But this also has a coating, so I would say that you stick that one on top of that one, so that it gives you a more solid base, because this is quite a chunky piece. But you have the bottom to decorate, you have the moon to decorate, and then you also have the sun, which is double-sided because of course it can spin round. The moon is also double-sided, and then you use like this keyring piece. There's two pieces, there is one in the bag, to hang them, to hang it onto the moon, so that basically that will hang up there and then that will be your stand. So you can have the sun and the moon. The colours, the numbers do go across all three pieces. So while there may not be every number on each, so for example there is the number 1 on the moon and it is on the stand, but it's not on the sun. So some will only go on one or the other, or two of them, but these are them. So number 1, which does go round the base and round the moon, is pearlized blue diamonds. We have yellow rhinestones, blue rhinestones, pink rhinestones, more blue rhinestones. You can imagine the moon's got quite a bit. We've got some pink, well, orangey red, and then pink. We've got some darker pink. We've got some little yellowy silver, little bit champagne-y, but very more silver than it is yellow, and these are more definite yellow. Then we've got pink with sort of an iridescent coating, red, yellow, and more silver. And of course you get a lot of diamonds because there is a lot. This isn't an evening project, I wouldn't say. I wouldn't suggest that this could get completed in an evening. I think it would take a few evenings. But if you enjoy your special diamonds, paintings and things to do, then this is definitely one for you, because you've got double-sided on both of these and you've got the base plate as well. So you could do it in sections or you could do it all together. I would probably kit this one up if I was doing it and actually have slots for each separate one, because I do think that I am more likely to want to do these in individual pieces than I'd want to do just one colour on all of them, because I think by the time I'd done the number one, which goes all the way around the outside of the bottom, all the way around the moon, and then also goes in places within the moon as well, I'd probably be very, very bored of that symbol, and I wouldn't want to turn over and do the same on the other side. I'd just be like, oh, no, I've had enough. So yeah, I'd probably kit that one up, but that is a bit of a monster special diamond painting, if you like those, which I do. I like to vary it up. So that's number one, big item. Then we have a small earth painting. This is a 30 by 30, and this caught my eye because of the colour. Look at that. And what I like is, even though it is sort of what looks like blocks of colour, they're actually not. There's quite a few different shades, so even in with the yellow, there's a couple of different shades. With the green, there's a couple of different. So it doesn't end up being too much of a blocky painting. It's down as a 30 by 30. It's just short of 25 by just short of 25. It is round, and it comes with 24 colours that do have DMC numbers. You also get a toolkit. But look already, I've not even opened it. Look at those colours. Look at them. Oh, so fun. Darkest colour looks to be 823. Oh, look at that. Look how colourful. We have got some gorgeous colours in here. Look at those. You can just see this be every different colour you're going to get hold of. I mean, those blues are similar, but still, they are so nice and so, especially that lot, look, gorgeous. So, yeah, I really, really like the fact that it is, I'm trying to fold it up in the right place. Yeah, I really like the fact that it is different, nice bright colours that will give you variety each and every time that you diamond paint. I love a good bright coloured diamond painting. As much as I do the more muted, I actually think you need to mix them up a bit to get the benefit out of it. But yeah, that one is gorgeous. Just that background. I mean, the dragonfly is pretty, but just the background. And then last, but by no means least, we have a big 40 by 50. This is always the fun part, getting these out the bags. Oh, not wrestling to get that back in. Okay. Is this one a square one, if I remember rightly? It is. So this is a square. Oh, look at that ship. Oh, it doesn't have DMC numbers though. It is poured glue. It has 24 colours, but it doesn't come with DMC numbers. They're not on the bag and they're not on the canvas. It does come with boat wax pen. And the actual size of the drill area is 35 by 45, so it's a good size. But look, can you see the detail in the boat? Oh, in the ship, should I say. It's not a boat, it's a ship. Ships ahoy. It's got really nice detail that you can see in the boat. More muted, this one, but say mix it up is the best way to do it. You can see how those colours, like some of them when you hold them up, you could see where they could potentially be in the canvas. Lovely blues, they will make up the sea and the sky so nicely. Do have little pops of colour every now and then, but this will make a gorgeous picture. We have even got little pops of red, but there seems to be like some little flags flying, and that's, I'll fight with them after. That's where your little pops of colour come from. But yeah, that is a square, so a little bit different, but if you look like close up to the detail on the sails, but as soon as you move away, bump, that's when a diamond painting comes to life. So I will pop links to all of these down below. There's something for everybody. Today we've got big square, small round, special diamond paintings. But yeah, I'll pop links to them all down below. Thank you to DP Clubs for sending these to me. And thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.